Hello everybody! Now I'm going to teach you how to graph a quadratic function when the function is written in factored form. Alright, looking at this first example. The first thing I'm going to have to find are my roots. In order to find your roots, you set each factor equal to 0 and solve for x. My first factor is x minus 4. So when I set that equal to 0 and solve for x, I will have to add 4 to both sides, and that will give me x equals 4 as my first root. When I set the x plus 2 equals 0 to solve for x, I'll have to subtract 2 on both sides, and that will give me x equals negative 2. Then I'll go over to my graph and plot both of my roots on the x-axis at number 4 and at negative 2. All right, now I'm going to find my axis of symmetry. You have two options. You could either put both of your fingers on both roots on the graph and count to the middle, draw your axis of symmetry, or you can simply add your roots together, 4 plus negative 2, which gives me positive 2, and take half of that. So that means you're basically always dividing it by 2. In this case, it gives me 1. So I'll go over to 1 on the x-axis and draw my axis of symmetry. All right, the last thing you have to do is find your vertex. In order to find your vertex, you'll take your axis of symmetry, which is 1, and plug it into the original problem everywhere you see x. So in your calculator, you're typing in 5, up in parentheses, 1 minus 4, close your parentheses, up in parentheses, 1 plus 2, again, because you're plugging in 1 everywhere you see x. And when you type that into your calculator, you'll get negative 45. This gives you your y value. Your axis of symmetry was your x value for your vertex. So my vertex is going to be 1, negative 45. So you plot that point on your graph. I'm going to just guesstimate that negative 45 is down here. And then you're done.